I am the Alpha Omega, black flag swanger. Fuck a driveway, I'm in airplane hangars. Me and my gang popping champagne like players for all of them days with no lights and no cable. No one can save you.
What's going on, KTF family? You already know what it is, and if you don't, it's your boy Preston, aka Preston, aka P. You already know you gotta break it down. I'm back with another reaction video, and today we react to Locksmith Freestyle on Sway in the Morning. So without further ado, let's get to these bars, bro.
It's Sway in the Morning, only on Shade 45.
Alright, so Locksmith is here. You gonna do a freestyle for us?
Yeah, let's do it. You know how we do.
Okay,
We
Locksmith.
come from them wake up show days.
Let's go, man. It's home of the true MC. Sway in the Morning, Shade 45.
Yeah, Locksmith,
Yeah.
West Coast.
Mm-hmm.
You know how we do.
Yes.
We just hanging out. Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Oh.
Check it out. Yeah, look. Verbally vital to write a recital, liable to stifle any sniper and rival any idol in the Bible, and bridle with viral I will put you in bio-purgatory despite the maniacal guys inspired by you. Why you try to deny you was an idol? I eye you and stick my dick on my knife and it down beside you, dead on the right.
I could tell where this is about to go, bro. Y'all trying to retire my Don DeMarco button, bro. I see what y'all doing now. It's all good, man.
They will try to revive you. Survival is inadvisable. If you try to cipher, then you're suicidal. The genetic outcome of Malcolm mixed with an ounce of the mountains that's out in Isfahan. I piss upon until I doubt you. I doubt you can outdo whatever I'm out to when I avow. Have the crowd rocking like a devout Jew.
Woo, bro! This gonna be a long video, bro. Shit.
You can outdo whatever I'm out to when I avow. Have the crowd rocking like a devout Jew. At the Wailing Wall, I install light revision. Lyrically, I kill more niggas than organized religion. Every hymn is a synonym of a singular.
Bro, listen, bro, this about to be a long video, bro.
And send him in, put a price on his life like George Zimmerman. Extra cash for anybody that catch his ass. Make him confess and spray his punk ass with pepper gas. Grab his neck and laugh. When it comes to rap quotes, I'm the GOAT. I snatch a quarter out the plexiglass.
Woo! Hey, bro. Shout out to Sway for giving him this beat, bro. I see a lot of artists or a lot of rappers be on like radio stations and they be like freestyle and they be giving them a whack ass beat, bro. It's like, come on now. Shout out to Sway.
Deadly ass, a heavy crash or a levy smash. Niggas ain't ready past. Tense this nigga, I sense he timid. I'm the nicest point blank, try to convince me different.
Wait, stop. Ooh. True MCs.
Yeah.
They don't have the spotlight because he already got light.
There you go. Yeah.
Well, turn his mic up, turn mine down.
Hey, okay, Sway. Hey, bro, give a Don DeMarco for Sway, bro.
Yeah. Something is veering, appearing, searing my soul in peril. Knowing dare go inside of my sphere when I fear that it's sterile. The barrel with the casing, surrounding the bullet racing, is chasing a nigga down to murder my cousin is narrow. And I know the time has come where I can reach the throne. If we atone, and we condone what niggas be doing, the weakest prone to be accepted, expected to be concluded. It's rooted within my focus like Moses when he confronted Pharaoh. And I feel it in my spirit when I speak to y'all. To the consumers consuming rap, I weep for y'all. The saturation of urban and black music has made us react foolish and falling off is like a week to y'all. And niggas think it's easy. What I'm brewing here, California bearing witness like a brewing here. I had a dream about heaven, it sounds silly. I saw Tupac and Biggie, they asked me, nigga, what you doing here? You got some work to finish.
Bro, he is going off, bro. Come on, man.
Don't ever divert or blemish the legacy laid down like certain clowns with certain gimmicks. Define your own lane, become an expert, and never become a slave to these social media networks. How can a person that claims to be thug street with a record that runs deep if they constantly subtweet? Real niggas with love are rare, but they go above what you expecting, like these industry niggas that come cheap. Industry niggas tell me I'm too peachy. Industry niggas tell me I'm too preachy. In the street, niggas would tweet me trying to reach me, but I never respond. And if I choose, then I do briefly. Do brief me or 2 feet me. I'm too deeply embedded into this game. I overcame when niggas view steeply. I'm from a market that markets margin, a marksman, a mark, and a scheme, a marvel that niggas mark, but I left my marking. And I'm marvin', I'm off the.
Locksmith is lyrical, bro. This guy, he ain't come on Sway to fuck around, bro.
Harboring options, I'm auctioning off my conscience with vices, sufficing up the launches. And it's pompous, you are largest in the shit stains, and the rich they clip things.
Sway dropped the mic, bro. He made Sway drop the mic, bro. Ah!
Hitting nigga from this range. And this aims to set a precedent for lesser men. The lesson men should take away is break away and sever trends. But instead we tend to focus on what's never been, it never ends. So I'ma break the locks if they don't let me in.
See, Sway?
But understand what I do, man, I only do to elevate you. One to drop a beat on him.
Bro, give it down to Marco for Sway again, bro. Come on, hey, spam the comments right now with freestyles on Sway, bro. Sway doing his thing with these beats, bro.
Yeah, catch that. Oh, what's that?
You gotta go off, Locksmith. You gotta go off, bro. Yo, feel it.
Good morning, Shake 45. You are in the middle of a real cipher. Locksmith.
Yeah. I gotta wait for that beat.
Yeah, catch the beat, bro. Take your time. Hey, bro, I'm about to go ahead and hit him with a finish him, bro. Because I know he about to go off. I know it.
Okay. I was gonna wait till I heard it. You wasn't about to throw me off.
That's what he does.
Yeah.
Locksmith.
Check it out.
Let's get it.
Look, freestyle. People stop and say this, like you underrated. With all them skills you got, you deserve a spot on the best A-list.
Facts.
Anybody don't see that, they either blind or they just jaded. I replied with a side, you was halfway right, even that's an understatement. And I'm rapping from my pavement, my feet expanded firmly. And I see them taking shots, that petty shit just don't concern me. I'm born and raised in Richmond, and I grew up in them projects. So a lot of niggas die in the blink of an eye, and that shit was hard to digest. And it scarred me for life, every lyric, every bar that alright. From the nigga with a concrete, I bright. Niggas wanna put a block on my life, but regardless, when they got me, counted out me, now I'm on the balcony with about 3 bad hoes. And it's deeper than a feature when I feature, but I feed her what you mad for. That puts it all in perspective. And
Hey, it's all good, bro. Hey, hit my mans with a fatality, bro. It's all good, man.
You right there.
Wow.
Locksmith, man. We
get down to any tempo, man.
Okay, yeah, man. I like that.
Bro, go ahead and spam the comments, bro, with Sway freestyles. Locksmith is lyrical, bro. A true freestyle. That's what I like to see, bro. Let me know what you think about the video in the comments down below. If you're new here, welcome to Pack. If you're not, then you already know what it is. And it's your boy Preston. As always, remember to keep the faith. Until next time, peace.